Hello everyone. I was just cruising around the town and I spotted this total wreck electric rickshaw in someone's backyard. So I decided to ask the owner if I could buy it and fix it up. When I took a closer look, the rickshaw was missing a bunch of parts like accessories, brakes, and switches. And the wiring was totally mess. I could not find any information about the controller, so I removed it and the motor to figure it out by myself and create a new wiring harness. The motor is an induction type capable of delivering a continuous power output of 4 kilowatt and peak power output of 9 kilowatt. The controller is configured to operate on a 60 volts power supply. The brake master cylinder is missing. I found a replacement, but it's a clutch master cylinder from a small truck. The coil spring is too stiff, so I replace it with a softer one from old suspension. Even with my full weight, I can compress the stock coil spring. Okay, time to put this electric rickshaw to the test. The speed is not that impressive. It only gets 38 km per hour, but sometimes 40 km per hour when the battery is in 100%. The electric rickshaw peak power output is 6,500 watts, drawing around 150 amperes of current. While the top speed is not modest, the strong torque allows it to tow a 900 kilogram car and handle hills with ease, even with 45 passengers. Currently, I'm solely utilizing this trike for cargo, specifically for hauling items like bricks, water containers, and surprisingly, an entire motorcycle. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless.